Many Ghanaian international, Kofi Bekasa kakra, and of course, working us in Finland, and you can do Kofi Ghana for him in the year. He's been in and out of the Black Stars, and they Ogususia kind of Finland, and they person in the Christian Common Aquambiazare. What's up with Enoch? I do Kofi now. My mommy Enoch, Namini Enoch Nkasa. Live this year, and I am share on some so and Adom TV. So yes, Enoch are joining me live on Adom TV. Enoch, a fantastic morning. I had a morning. Meaning say also a morning and I say evening.
Oh, I also say morning, sir.
Oh wow. And good morning. Also by just good morning, sir. Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning.
Enoch na to catch it. Was Finland and Ghana for say bias towards England and money Spain money it's a nice America say oh Finland they be say oh really still go to share on say cost of power of Finland.
Oh, me share pa me adu me be a cost of all the time. Me be a cost of
wow. It will no club no how many years now on your na wabo emu ahe.
Oh, they say that this is my third year. When I am a third year wa me no ma wa until when I am a third year wa.
So how has it been so far with that club in Finland?
Oh, it's been good. It's been good so far. No, I'm saying me buy me team no ma win trophy near that. You go so I cause so. Yeah, me Adom be able.
Wow, but what target how they call Finland now? Have you achieved it so far?
Oh yeah, my target now the BEM and right now no so we are still on it.
And so what?
Yeah.
They don't share him. Say what since Finland league, how's it going? My boy, we are now more boy now. Say one fin.
Yeah, one fin. It's going good, but striking kakra na bem. But football need you say. Sani mani wo. Until go so.
Okay, the team is struggling a bit, right?
Yeah.
Changing coach, and now say what is happening?
Oh, I think it's about. Us, and then we started good, but right now, no, we're struggling a bit, but we will bounce back.
Oh, okay. That's right. Got for Enoch Kofi that man now actually and Kobono still young and fresh. Yes. And man, yeah, she said now that we're in Finland, are you hoping to come back into mainstream? Man, I say you want to lay on the low of Finland or Kakra?
Oh, yeah, I'm. To say the whole can you say you go so able.
Yeah.
Let me say I can say every week over 90 minutes near that no. That shows that you are still on it. We want to, stay up there.
Wow.
So,
wow.
Yeah.
Wow. The Siana Econo a bit of my say he's done with the Black Stars. Wow, because you're afraid watch it and are you still looking forward to coming back to the Black Stars?
Oh yeah. So me Ghanaian in Kwade. As like Tambia one chance no. Miss meet for the Badwam Agokansie.
Wow. You know how good you are, you know how resolute you are, how are strong on the you've not gotten an opportunity to come back to back to the Black Stars. Why is it so?
Oh, sometimes you as a player maybe you worry a bit like what is going on as a player. But every week you are playing 90 minutes. Every week you are playing 90 minutes. I think I've been doing this for a long time.
No.
Long time. And that's what we have to see through and then use it to call up. But
okay.
As a player, you still keep working and then yeah, we hope things will change.
Well, I get your point. Like I said, we'll training will say very soon. Sunday all back to back 90 minutes. So we are active in it. Unya Black Stars, but they are looking forward to see for back to the Black Stars.
Yes. Sure. I mean, yeah.
Wow. Well, ya can say no. Na kwambia so no. You be call enra game no kakra. Why football like they mean yaman kwa bra yenka Tottenham Hotspur so they any ade. But do you monitor your league in kakra? Ghana Premier League no monitor kakra.
Oh yeah. I am a monitor.
How will you rate it?
Oh, yeah, league in the I'm say good players yeah, there's a lot of talented players, and you say yeah, my inco more I almost say I didn't play so much,
Yeah.
Maybe opportunity to play under 17, and then I went to France.
Okay.
But lot of talent, you know. So as you may you come on, yes, and a boy.
Wow. Back to Black Stars and Semani Kano, be Bamu well, you've played in France, so Abu Bob Sweden, what Bobo Finland, the Ubeka Finland, downgrade of the other leagues near there. What do you say to that? A man for Becca Finland League, the Munyetting. What now? Who is saying?
Oh, a more than. The more than say as a footballer and you can say now you know what you are doing and you aim at the baha. We aim at the baha. Say we will be achieve aim no. As I'm an experienced player, no, you know. So I say we are winning episode achieve and a visa. So yeah, a more than what happen.
Oh really? Just say the man focus the Finland League in Tebe in your sanity. A more thing.
Yes, sanity.
Wow. Well, Enra, young Naya Super Cup, maybe more than any for a hairball. More than Mujam beat, more have different. Yeah. Yet, a thing change, be say Kudus. And to me, I need trophy here. Yana. Kudus move to Tottenham. Well, it is not bad. But I don't know how Nibia. How will you describe the whole game or the reaction?
Oh, no, very good game, but no being him set Tottenham, very winning game. No, say, PSG, so they came back in a strong way. It was a good comeback from them. No? Football, no, so I share no, I know just why we near
okay.
Until the final whistle, you know. Yeah. And a very interesting game. I'm will be a free be a Tottenham area, but football there you never know. Move on, I just about final whistle and sana. But because it was a very good game. And congratulations to PSG. So
wow. Well, you know, and being so brave, but your few games for you remember how many games you played for the Black Stars? Okay, games do do.
Oh, I think 3.
3. Well, and do you think you gave a good account of yourself as Osambaba?
Oh yeah, said you know, as a footballer, and there's a lot of things, and as a lot of games at Mabobo, Europa League, Champions League. Yeah, I've done all that, and then I have a big experience for it. So, in case they call me or they give me another chance, I can also come and help the nation.
Sure.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. Some of our colleagues to me catch say, me have my come 10 years, me have my come 20 near there with your experience and what all these top leagues near there. And you want to open so what bang how many years can?
Oh, I still have time. It's a lot of time. I still have time. Yeah.
Yes, wow. But you feel no. Your team say what you say Leon Bisa about Ghana Premier League in there. But say oh back pa. Where do you want to hang up so preparatory cry? Your teams no.
A question where they are not.
Papa.
But make us say Ni na be jina say me drew ho no. Me draw then the decision will come.
But we need the award mark cry. We dey na admire.
Moment no there. Oh, be na ya dey am support from near but no.
Wow. You know, my person be no be an extensive one because of an open time and a short time near the end. Be in a short say na fi said a longer one na for who what is really happening with you in Finland and other things you are doing aside football. I'm sure aside the pitch and off the pitch now oh yeah Nema personally and what be a footballers mobile foundations be amoye and Nema moye you know I see be so magana for ehu until we have time na ya no so ye pa why
sure yeah.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you
wow my man Enoch Kofi, yes, Black Stars player now plays in Finland Canas IF and you're in a train come on live on Adom TV.